Iconic photographs have the ability to captivate viewers, often telling compelling stories in a single frame. These images use techniques such as composition, lighting, and timing to evoke emotion and draw the audience into the scene. By carefully considering the elements within a photograph, photographers can guide the viewer's attention and create a narrative that resonates. Understanding how to use perspective, context, and subject matter allows you to communicate meaning beyond what is immediately visible. Applying these storytelling secrets to your own photography can transform ordinary moments into extraordinary visual stories. With practice, you can create images that not only capture attention, but also leave a lasting impression. Leading lines are a powerful tool in photography, often used to direct the viewer's gaze through an image. In many iconic photos, these lines, whether formed by roads, fences, or even shadows, create a visual pathway that draws attention to the subject or focal point. By guiding the eye, leading lines help establish a sense of movement and depth, making the composition more dynamic. They also contribute to the emotional impact of a photograph, subtly influencing how viewers perceive and connect with the scene. When used skillfully, leading lines can transform a simple arrangement into a compelling narrative, inviting viewers to explore the story within the frame. This technique not only enhances visual interest, but also evokes a deeper emotional response, making the image memorable and engaging. The frame-within-frame technique is a powerful tool in photography that involves using elements within the scene to create a border around the main subject. These borders can be natural, such as tree branches or doorways, or constructed, like windows and arches. By enclosing the subject within a frame, photographers guide the viewer's eye directly to the focal point, enhancing its prominence. This method not only draws attention, but also adds layers of depth and context to the image. The interplay between the frame and the subject can evoke a sense of intimacy or mystery, enriching the overall narrative. Through thoughtful composition, the frame-within-frame approach transforms ordinary scenes into compelling visual stories. Juxtaposition is a powerful artistic technique that brings together contrasting elements within a single image. By placing opposites side by side, such as light and dark, old and new, or calm and chaos, artists create a sense of tension that draws the viewer in. This interplay not only highlights the differences between the elements, but also encourages deeper reflection on their relationship. The unexpected pairing can spark curiosity, prompting questions about meaning and intent. Through juxtaposition, ordinary scenes are transformed, inviting us to see familiar subjects in a new light and challenging our perceptions. Capturing the right moment is often more impactful than striving for perfection. Authentic, spontaneous shots have a unique ability to convey genuine emotion and tell stories that resonate deeply. While carefully staged photos may appear flawless, they can sometimes lack the warmth and character found in candid images. The beauty of photography lies in its ability to freeze real-life moments, preserving feelings and memories as they naturally unfold. By embracing imperfection and focusing on authenticity, photographers can create images that are both memorable and meaningful. Ultimately, it is these genuine moments that leave a lasting impression. Environmental context in iconic photographs plays a crucial role in shaping the viewer's understanding of the scene. Background elements, such as architecture, landscapes, or even weather conditions, offer subtle clues about the time, location, and atmosphere. These details help to anchor the main subjects within a broader story, making the image more immersive and meaningful. By observing the surroundings, viewers can gain insight into cultural, historical, or emotional aspects that might otherwise go unnoticed. This enriched narrative allows the photograph to convey a deeper sense of place and significance, transforming it from a simple snapshot into a powerful visual story. To recap, the 5 storytelling tricks include using leading lines to guide the viewer's eye, capturing emotion to create a deeper connection, playing with light and shadow for dramatic effect, framing your subject to add context, and choosing the right moment to tell your story. Each technique offers a unique way to enhance the narrative power of your photos. By experimenting with these methods, you can transform ordinary images into memorable stories. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what resonates with your style. With practice, these tricks can help you create photos that truly stand out and leave a lasting impression.